In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Slack. We'll walk through the whole process, from opening the right menu, to designing your questions, to sending responses exactly where you need them. By the end, you'll have a reusable form that your team can access directly inside Slack without switching tools. First, let's get to the Workflow Builder. In your Slack window, look near the top left for your workspace name. Click it to open the main menu. From there, look for the option labeled Tools and Settings. When that opens, select Workflow Builder. This is Slack's built-in automation tool, and it's where forms live. If you don't see it, you may need permission from a workspace admin. Once Workflow Builder is open, it's time to start a new workflow. Click the New Workflow button. Depending on your Slack version, this might be in the top right corner. You can start from scratch or choose a template. For a quick setup, you might pick something like the Feedback Report template, which already has common form-style steps built in. Templates are great if you're new because they give you a structure you can then customize to your needs. Next, let's add the actual form. Every workflow needs a trigger, which answers the question, how does this form start? You can choose things like an emoji reaction on a message, a specific keyword typed in a channel, or even a shortcut that users can select. Pick a trigger that makes sense for how you want people to access the form. After you've chosen the trigger, add a step and select the form option. Here you can design your questions. Use short text fields for quick answers, longer text for detailed feedback, and drop-downs or checkboxes when you want to standardize responses and make them easier to analyze later. After that, you'll want to decide what happens with the responses. Add additional steps to your workflow so Slack knows where to send the submitted information. A common option is to post the results in a specific channel, like a feedback or requests channel, so your team can see and act on them. You can also connect apps, such as a spreadsheet tool, to automatically log responses in a sheet or another external system for reporting. Finally, give your workflow a clear name so people understand what the form is for, then click Publish. Slack will generate a way to share it, often through a link or a shortcut, so your teammates can start using the form right away. Once it's published, test it yourself to make sure the trigger works, the questions look right, and the responses go exactly where you expect.